Hi everyone, it's Fiona here from Lavender Blue, and I'm back with part 3 of how to make a fabric covered journal with an empty box. Sorry that it's taken me so long to get to part 3, but I still haven't been feeling 100%, so it's taken me a bit longer to do than I'd hoped. But here we are with part 3, and in this video I wanted to get the pages ready to sew into this journal. So I'm just going to show you how I choose my pages. I haven't really got a formula, but I've sort of a little bit of a formula that I'll tell you about just to help me keep a little bit more organised. So first you need to decide how many signatures you want to put into your spine, and I think I'm going to do 3 in this one. I could do more, it could probably have 5 if they were fairly small signatures, but they're going to be reasonably big, so I'm just going to do 3. So a signature is a group of pages folded in half, and you sew those in there. So basically how I go about choosing is I usually do around about 15 pages per signature. So 5 of those pages I will choose just blank tea dyed or coffee dyed paper. So this is, I've got 15 sheets here, and the last 3 are actually coffee dyed music paper. I've decided to throw in there as well. So and these ones here were actually a pale blue paper. They weren't white, so they turned out, you know, quite a nice colour for this journal. Well, some of them are blue and a few of them were white. So that's five of those for each signature. And then in my next pile, I put full pages such as, I'm hoping that the light's bright enough. Yeah, I think that's okay. They're either printable papers or scrapbooking papers from, you know, a scrapbooking collection that you might have bought. So I've got 3 of these botanical pages from my latest botanical kit, and then I've got 3 of the double pages which fold in half for the signatures. And then I've got my the botanical ledger paper from that kit in my Etsy shop. I think I've got 6 of these, so there'll be a couple of those in each signature. And then I've just put at the end, I've got some coffee dyed, you know, the grid paper. So I'm going to put that in as well. So yeah, so for the next 5 pages, just any designer paper or printables that you wanted to add to your signature. And there, you know, there is really no formula, but I'm just sort of breaking it down as to how I try to choose them, which makes it a little bit easier. And then for the last 5 pages, it can be anything else that you want to sew into your journal. So it could be envelope, it could be paper bags, just scraps of smaller pieces of paper to go in. It could be doilies, anything really that extra that you wanted to put in to fill up your journal, but you want to sew it in as a page. So I'll show you roughly what I've got here, and I'm not going to use all of this, I'm just kind of still deciding what I want to use. I might use that in one of the signatures. That's just a bit of scrapbooking paper. I have got some baking paper here. You can use baking paper or tracing paper. And these are a couple of leftover paper bags that I had cut out from my kittens vintage cats kit. So I could use those, but I'm not really sure just yet. And then, yeah, just little scraps of paper. You might just want that as a kind of a small page there. Or I might use that as a belly band later on. Some more offcuts. Another one is cardstock. You can put some cardstock in there. And then I have some more baking paper, and this is copy dyed. This is the I think it's called the raw baking paper, so it's the brownish coloured one. So I might put some pages of that in there. I've got some small paper bags, some more offcuts here. This was from Valerie Kruger. I'm sure she sent me that a couple of years ago actually, but it's beautiful paper. Some more just, yeah, scrapbooking papers, so I'm still kind of deciding what I want to put in there. I've got a little tea bag envelope there from, can't remember which, tea bags, Roses and Romance that is from, and I'll use that somewhere in the journal, but it's not going to be as a page. So yeah, I've just got all these little offcuts. And I'm going to be using some paper bags. So I've got 3 there, one for each signature, so I'll just fold them in half. And then some book pages as well, they're always good. Another small page. And then I've got these vintage images, which I think I got from the Graphics Fairy. So I'm going to cut them down and use them as pages as well. So those are some ideas. So I'm going to go and sort out exactly which of these I want to put in. And I'm going to have to cut all my pages down to fit inside. So you need to measure your journal first. I think I was going to make mine 4 by 6, yep, which is just a little bit smaller than the cover. So I'm going to go ahead and cut all my pages down, and I'll be back. So I'm back, and I've cut most of my pages down, but not all of them. And I meant to say, sorry guys, that I'll be back in the next video to sew the pages in once I have cut them down. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, bye bye.